Hey everyone, Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood here, and we're on the next log cabin we're working at for DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. So if you saw any of the previous videos or any of the pictures of these before, this was pretty dark wood already. We've got all the stain off. It's just dark. It's in the wood, but this has all been clean. We'll go around here. See, the guys are using Osborne brushes to do a little prep, getting some of the, well, there's some wood fibers and some rough areas that we had to go after. So we do the prep work on this stuff, and we'll do a little sanding. Osborne brushes are right here and over here, and that's what we use to prep up the wood. As we prep up the wood on these sides, so we've already done the first part where we two-step process on cleaning and brightening the wood. And then we come back here and we're putting some stain up just so that the customer can get an idea of what it's going to look like. So we're using our Deck Restoration Plus deck and wood stain. We have 2 coats of our maple shade brown here and 1 coat on the bottom. Now, when you have an existing cabin and you have that's had stain on it before and you've taken off what you can, you're getting ready to do it again, there's going to be different wear. Not sure if you can see this, but it wears differently along the roof pattern. So it's lighter out here and then darker underneath. What we do in those situations is we'll probably 1 coat here and then, 2 coat here and 1 coat underneath. And we do the same thing when we do a side of the house and different things. So what happens is, like in the back where the sun hits, where we did the sample, we do those 2 coats and it's probably going to be what it looks like. Then we take a side like this, or the front where I was originally from this video, and just do 1 coat. And when we do that, we get everything all evened up. So that's kind of how we do that, because wood's going to wear differently on each side of a home, just like a deck would. If a deck was on a shaded side of the house, it's going to wear differently than one that's on the sunny side of the house. So we have to take each side of a house, how the sun hits it, how it wears it, and so forth. And then that's also going to determine how we're going to maintain it in the future. Now, if we were to strip everything off of this thing and get it all the way down as far as we could, then we would probably do 2 coats on everything and then do the 2-1 coat moving forward in the future. In this case, we didn't have to take it all the way down. So it's kind of a bonus for us. Now, what's neat about this project is this also, and we upsold the staining of it, we're actually going to be doing the chinking. This doesn't have chinking. They're having a problem. They have 2 babies in there, two children, young children. New parents, and bees, bugs, and whatnot are getting in here. And we found that when we were doing the initial restoration, some of the water was getting in some places, mostly on corners. So what happens is they wanted it weatherproofed. So we came up to look at the chinking. We've also worked for the father in the past. This is the son and the daughter-in-law. And we told them, hey, you know what? Before we do the chinking, let's get this stained up and then do the chinking and make it look really nice. So that's what we're doing here. This is what we do at Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises. If you're interested in getting your wood-sided home, log cabin. Oh, by the way, I didn't tell you this. Let me show you this. Good stuff at DRP. So one of the things, sorry I got a little close for you. When you're doing this type of work, other people notice this stuff too. So this lady over here saw the Wizard of Wood on YouTube and how you restore wood, and then saw the Wizard of Wood name on the side of our work vehicle. And when you go here, this is the log cabin we're working on. And when I turn around, another wood-sided home that we did the estimate for yesterday. So that's how it goes with DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. You end up getting other jobs, other wood. People know, and you become the expert in your area. By the way, if you're looking and you can see it, Wizard of Wood's on the side of the truck, on the side of the vehicles. So ties in. Anyway, just a short video, under 5 minutes, I hope, to get you to see what it looks like when we're doing a wood-sided home. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a call. Let us know if we can help you. If you're in South Jersey with your wood-sided home at 609-268. 3436 609-268-3436. When you find me on YouTube or on social media, just check the link tree. You'll see all the sites following Deck Restoration Plus, DRP Enterprises, and those are the wood evolutions. Have a great day. Thank you.